So this is another simple toy, and there's so many variations on this one. You're going to use a bottle, water bottle, and you're going to discard the cap because the cap can be a choking hazard. And what you can do is you want to put some smelly treats inside the water bottle. These are super bacony treats, so they love this. And then you can also use, these are very popular in my house, and they're disgusting, you may say, and you wouldn't be wrong, but they're fish skins and they smell really yummy. So the dogs go wild for this toy. So you stick this inside there, and then you take an old sock. This is the one I can't find the other pair for. Put that, there you go, do that, and now you make a knot. Ta-da!